Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select battery, here it is, and go to the power. Then select power saver, and simply by tapping on this switcher you can activate power saving mode. Here it is, so from now on your device will run way longer, and then if you would like to switch it off, simply click on the same switcher. If you would like to schedule this mode for some particular time, simply activate this function, schedule time to switch between modes, and select the period of time in which low power solution mode should be active. So we can take 10 and 8. So from now on, every day between 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. power saving mode will be automatically activated, and then obviously at 8 a.m. deactivated. And that would be all. So you can protect your device, how you can extend the life of your Redmi Note 4X. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.